everyone, my name is Anisha Putri Ramawati. My study number are 234120057 from class accounting 23A. Today, I would like to explain the basic concept of environmental accounting. This topic has become increasingly important because businesses are expected not only to generate profits but also to consider their impact on society and the environment. Environmental accounting helps organizations identify, measure, record, and report environmental costs and benefits related to their activities. Environmental accounting is a branch of accounting that focuses on the relationship between economic activities and environmental impact. It provides information about how an organization uses natural resources, manages environmental costs, and contributes to environmental sustainability. Through environmental accounting, companies can make better decisions and balance economic performance with environmental responsibility. The concept of environmental accounting emerged as a response to growing concern about environmental degradation caused by industrial activities. Traditional accounting systems mainly focus on financial transactions and often ignore environmental impact. However, environmental issues such as pollution, waste generation, climate change, and resources depletion have encouraged organizations to incorporate environmental consideration into their accounting system. One of the main objectives of environmental accounting is to identify environmental costs. Environmental costs refer to expense incurred by a company to prevent, reduce, or manage environmental damage. These costs may include waste treatment, pollution control equipment, environmental monitoring, recycling programs, employee environmental training, and environmental restoration activities. By identifying these costs, companies can better understand the financial consequence of their environmental performance. Another important objective is to support decision making. Environmental accounting provides managers with relevant information that can be used to evaluate environmental risks and opportunities. For example, a company may decide to invest in cleaner production technology after realizing that environmental costs associated with waste disposal are significantly increasing. In the way, environmental accounting helps organizations improve both environmental and financial performance. Environmental accounting also promotes accountability and transparency. Stakeholders such as investors, customers, governments, local communities, and environmental organizations increasingly demand information about a company's environmental performance. Environmental accounting enables companies to disclose environmental information through sustainability report, annual reports, or integrated reports. This transparency helps build trust and enhance the company's reputation. There are several key components of environmental accounting. The first component is environmental cost accounting. This involves identifying and allocation environmental costs to product, process, or department. By doing so, companies can determine the true cost of their operations and identify areas where environmental improvement can be made. The second component is environmental management accounting. Environmental management accounting focuses on providing internal information to support management decisions. It combines cycle information such as energy consumption and waste generation with monetary information such as environmental expense and saving. This approach helps managers improve resources efficiency and reduce environmental impact. The third component is environmental financial accounting. This concept deals with the recognition and reporting of environmental liabilities, assets, revenues, and expense in financial statement. For example, if a company is legally required to clean up environmental contamination in the future, it may need to recognize an environmental liability in its financial statements. Another important concept in environmental performance measurement, organizations use various indicators to assess their environmental performance. These indicators may include energy consumption, water usage, greenhouse gas emission, waste generation, recycling rates, and compliance with environmental regulations. Measuring environmental performance helps organizations monitor progress towards sustainability goals. Environmental accounting provides several benefits to organizations. First, it helps reduce costs by identifying inefficiency in resources use and waste management. Second, it supports regulatory compliance by ensuring that environmental obligations are properly monitored and reported. Third, it improves corporate image and stakeholder confidence by demonstrating a commitment to environmental responsibility. Fourth, it contributes to long-term sustainability by encouraging environmentally friendly business practices. Despite its benefits, environmental accounting also faces several challenges. One challenge is the difficulty of measuring environmental cost and impact accurately. Some environmental effects, such as biodiversity loss or climate change, are difficult to quantify and monetary terms. Another challenge is the lack of standardized method of environmental accounting across different countries and industries. In addition, collecting environmental data may require significant time, resources, and expertise. Today, environmental accounting closely relate to the concept of sustainability development. Sustainable development refers to meeting the need of the present without compromising an ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Environmental accounting support this goal by helping organizations integrate environmental consideration into their business strategies and decision-making process. Many companies around the world have adopted environmental accounting practices as part of their sustainability initiatives. They use environmental accounting to monitor resource consumption, reduce emission, improve operation efficiency, and communicate environmental performance to stakeholders. As environmental concerns continue to grow, the role of environmental accounting will become even more important in achieving sustainable business development. In conclusion, environmental accounting is a system that identifies, measures, records, and reports environmental costs and impact associated with business activities. It helps organizations improve decision making, increase transparency, manage environmental risks, and support sustainable development by integrating environmental consideration into accounting practices. Companies can achieve a balance between economic success and environmental responsibility. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helps you understand the basic concept of environmental accounting. See you in the next video.